Hello YouTubers. Now today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple Minecraft server. It is the same way, you do it the same way on both Mac and Microsoft. Well, Mac and Windows to be correct. So basically you're going to start on Minecraft.net. You go to download. You do not need to be logged in to do this, by the way. Then you're going to either download the Minecraft.server.exe, which is a very simple way to do it for Windows, or you can do the .jar down here, which is the way you do it for Macs or any other operating system. And this one also gives you a little more control. So that's what I download. But I'm on a Mac, so I need to. Okay, so while that's downloading, now you need log me in Hamachi. You do need to make an account, but I already have one, so I'll just log in. And then you're going to download it, but since I already have it downloaded, it's not showing up. So yeah, let me try doing this. So you could search, you go to www.logmein.com. I'm going to log out, log in, and I'm going to log back in. Now I'm going to so you're going to have to download it. Another way to search how to get it is log me in Hamachi download. This way you do not need to make an account. So you go there, so you can download it, yeah. Right there is a free download, but I don't need to because I already have it. But make sure you download log me in Hamachi. So yeah, now back to that server file. Basically, you're going to go into your documents and create a folder. Well, this is the best way to do it. Create a folder called Minecraft server, or for me, I'm calling it Minecraft Tut for tutorial, but you can call it really anything you want. So you can call it yours, my server, your server, whatever. So you're going to go in, and you remember that file we downloaded from Minecraft.net? We're going to put that in and run it. So just let it load and everything. Yeah. Then you could exit off. Okay. It's not exiting off. Well, yeah. And you see all these different things open up. The server log, the properties, the whitelist, and that. The op, and then there's ops and banned players. Banned players are people who you could ban. So like you put in their Minecraft name and they're not allowed to play anymore. Ops are people who have special controls. They could use like different server commands. Whitelist is if you only want certain people to play on it, you put their names in, including your own. So we're going to focus on server properties. We're going to go in. Now, you see how it has the level's name right here, which will be the world, which you could call whatever you want, world, icon, whatever. There's the seed, which is where you put in the seed. The level type would be default. You could put default yeah. Then you could change it to hardcore. You could put animals or not. Change the build type. Monsters, the game mode. I like putting my game mode on 0, which is peaceful. Max players, you can spawn monsters. I really don't care about monsters, and yeah. So now we're going to go up to here, which is server IP. Now, that's why you need Hamachi. On Hamachi, you're going to go and create a server. So network, create a new server, and you type in what you want it to be called. So I like calling mine my name, and then /server. But then you have to make a password. I call it password. And then when you had to make that account, you can actually either make a network there, and you could actually edit it so you don't need a password. That's what I do. But I already have one. So You go onto it. You see how there's those numbers up there? That's what your server IP address is. So that's where you put server IP. That's what you put in server IP. So mine is 5.232.180.217. Then you have to file and save it. Make sure you save it, because if you don't, it will not work. So then you're going to open up your .jar file. And remember, to be able to play, you have to have that opened. So now I'm going to go into Minecraft. Gonna log in. Getting in. I have this cool Lego texture pack, and that's in like another video. I'm just going to go back onto default right now. And go into multiplayer. Don't go into single player. And then you go to add server. You call it whatever you want. And that server address we put in earlier, which I put in was 5.232.180. You're going to put that in there. But I already have it, so I'm just going to open up. And, I spawned under water. And here you go. You got your very own server. You play around with it. The server commands like switching game modes, but I'm not going to do that now. So remember, subscribe to me. Watch more of my videos, and stay tuned. Bye.